बाल्को के सुचारू संचालन और विभिन्न इकाइयों की कार्यक्षमता को बेहतर बनाने के उद्देश्य से बाल्को में नए प्रशिक्षु स्नातक इंजीनियरों यानी जीटीज की भर्ती की गई। बाल्को अध्यक्ष श्री प्रमोद सूरी ने प्रशिक्षुओं को वेदांत समूह के लक्ष्यों और उद्देश्यों से परिचित कराया। उन्होंने बताया कि वेदांत समूह तेजी से तरक्की कर रहा है, यहाँ कैरियर की असीम संभावनाएं हैं। श्री सूरी ने नए जीटीज से श्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन कर दिखाने का आह्वान किया।
बाल्को प्रबंधन ने हाल ही में 36 नए जीटीज की भर्ती की। उल्लेखनीय है कि सभी जीटीज छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य के विभिन्न तकनीकी महाविद्यालयों से चुने गए हैं। बाल्को अध्यक्ष श्री प्रमोद सूरी और बाल्को के मानव संसाधन सह उपाध्यक्ष श्री आर्य कृष्ण कुमार ने जीटीज का स्वागत किया। श्री सूरी ने जीटीज को बताया कि बाल्को की होल्डिंग कंपनी वेदांत समूह में कैरियर विकास की अपार संभावनाएं हैं। उन्होंने प्रशिक्षुओं को सुरक्षित कार्यशैली अपनाने की सलाह दी।
So I would like first to welcome all of you. It's a big batch. We have almost 32 people here. Last 2 years have been very challenging for us, that we have been expanding. We have put up a new smelter and a power plant, and almost the Baल्को capacity has become 3.5 times what it was 3 years back. And we decided to go for recruitment of all young engineers. In fact, our new plant, we recruited more than 400 to 450 engineers in the smelter as well as in the power plant. Mr. Upadhyay has been handling almost, I think, more than 1,000. In last 3 years, he must have handled more than 1,000 engineers. And our experience had been great. That, as KK said, that we believe in the young people and their thinking, because it is totally unbiased, no mental blocks, and you people have the energy and capability to achieve lot many things. And I must say that we have been very successful in harnessing the potential of youngsters. There have been some attritions, but not more than 10 to 12%. But by and large, people who joined us, you will go and meet them and you will see how they have brought up this plant, this company in last 3 years. And not only in Baल्को but all over the group. In other companies of Vedanta, we are going for a large number of young engineers, even young science graduates. So basically the thinking is that we must have more and more youngsters working with us. If you go to plant 2, the average age group is not even 26 years, 24, 25 years, the average age of the plant. It's a great fortune or a luck that you're getting a chance to work in a company like Vedanta. Vedanta today is the fastest growing company in the world in mines and metals. If you look at in 2003, this company was listed in London Stock Exchange. And in last 3 years, the share price of the company, or it has come in the topmost metal and mines company in terms of growth in the last 3 years. Just to give you an example, about 18 years back, this company had a turnover of only 10 crores. And last year, this company had a turnover of more than 30,000 crores. And we are aiming to cross 1 lakh crores in another 2 years' time. So this is the vision, this is the growth this company can provide. Some amount of discipline is required, which you people must exhibit or follow all the time. You are no more that college boys, you are now responsible employees of the company. So you must have some sort of discipline and try to transform you into a role of a manager from a student. So one thing is the discipline, whether it is in terms of you are staying in the township, staying in the colony, working in the plant. So we expect all of you, because regarding your qualification, family background, we have interviewed you, we have seen your group discussion, we have seen your written test, your credential and everything. But that was only a entry part. Now how you project yourself, how you exhibit yourself, what impression you leave on the organization, that is very important. So we expect people who join our company to have certain degree of responsibility and maturity.
बाल्को के मानव संसाधन सह उपाध्यक्ष श्री आर्य कृष्ण कुमार ने चयनित प्रशिक्षु इंजीनियरों से श्रेष्ठ कार्य प्रदर्शन करने का आह्वान किया। उन्होंने प्रबंधन की ओर से प्रशिक्षुओं को हर संभव मदद का आश्वासन दिया।
All come out of a very no stiff competition, a very rigorous selection process. So definitely you people deserve congratulations. And Vedanta Group, needless to say, you will be also coming to know, especially attaches a lot of importance to young professionals like you, right? And we have solid examples like people who joined as GT some 6 years, 7 years back. They are today as vice president, presidents, directors of the companies. You can't imagine in any other manufacturing sector, any other manufacturing group, even internationally or nationally, you cannot imagine. We have solid examples. So it all now depends on you. The challenges and other things, the management is ready to provide. And more so, the management stresses always young professionals. Then please don't ask why only like you are here. We serve as the coach. We serve only as the enablers. So it's all now in your hands. How seriously you take up your job. So I will not call as training because definitely it will be all on the job training. No, it will be like a classroom sessions and all. Okay, some theoretical inputs will be there, and there will be some mentors and all for you there in your workplace like that. And don't imagine that okay, it will be only engineering. You have to understand the total business also. Okay, like 2-3 years. Ideally, I will expect you people to head a section, something like that. In 5 years to head a business. This is what the career path all of you should take it as a challenge. But everything will not be bed of roses. When you go there, you just come out of the college. In college, okay, you would have faced ragging. Here it will be some other ragging in terms of the knowledge what you possess. Okay, you may have to move with workman who has put in 30 years of experience. Which he may feel, what is this? What he knows. Whereas you come as engineer, maybe at a higher salary like that. That may be the perception. But you will have to come out all over the things, win them by heart. We have to respect it. I'm just telling you, we have to respect it because definitely they also put up hard work. Today, Balco is in whatever state. It is because of that. Those people's hard work and all, you have to respect it. At the same time, learn the job from them and be ready for job rotation. Say, for example, I'm seeing some computer engineers, electrical engineers. Please don't expect that you will be only in the respective field. You will be given job rotation. And computer engineer today, I will put him in the shop floor. Right? Girls, you have to come in the shifts. Be ready for all those things. But at the end of it, definitely I'm telling you, it will be all very pleasant surprises for you. Right? And you will have very good support and guidance from the management and especially more so Pramod Suri, I am always seeing him, we call GTs as beta only. Right? Beta, BT, whatever it is. So he has got so much this thing pure, especially for young professionals. So the platform is ready for you. So it is ready for you to take on.
इस मौके पर प्रशिक्षु स्नातक इंजीनियरों ने अपने परिचय बाल्को अधिकारियों को दिए। कार्यक्रम का संचालन मानव संसाधन सह महाप्रबंधक श्री एस के उपाध्याय ने किया।